circle, we find a sphere through the given circle. Let the equation let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is the general equation of a sphere, and we take equation of plane, that is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P. This is the equation of the plane. These two equations represent equation of circle. Here we know that if we take in two equations, that is one of the equation of a sphere and the second is equation of plane, these equations represent equation of circle. If we taking two equations together, one is the equation of a sphere and the second is equation of plane, so both equation represent equation of circle if they taken together. Then the equation s plus lambda p is equal to 0, where lambda is constant represent equation of a sphere as in this equation coefficients of x square, y square, z square are equal, and the term containing x, y, y, z, zx are absent. Here the equation s plus lambda p is equal to 0, where lambda is constant. This equation represent equation of a sphere, as in this equation coefficient of x square, y square, z square are equal, and the term containing x, y, y, z and zx are absent. Also the equation s plus lambda p is equal to 0 is satisfied by all the points. This equation s plus lambda p is equal to 0 satisfied by all the points which satisfy both s is equal to 0, p is equal to 0. Here this equation s plus lambda p is equal to 0 is satisfied by all the points which satisfy both s is equal to 0 and p is equal to 0. That is which lie on the circle s is equal to 0, p is equal to 0. Hence s plus lambda p is equal to 0 represent a sphere Hence s plus lambda p is equal to 0 represent a sphere through the circle s is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. Here a sphere through the given circle. We know that if we taken two equations, one is equation of a sphere and the second is equation of plane. If we take these two equations together, this equation represent equation of circle. So here first we take equation of circle is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2y plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0, and the and equation of plane is lx plus my plus nz is equal to p. This is the equation of a sphere and this is the equation of plane. If we taken these two equations together, this equation represent equation of circle. Then the equation s plus lambda p is equal to 0, where lambda is constant. This equation represent equation of a sphere, because in this equation coefficients of x square, y square, z square are equal, and the term containing x, y, yz, zx are absent. Also, this equation x plus lambda p is equal to 0 is satisfied by all points. This equation s plus lambda p is equal to 0 is satisfied by all the points which satisfy both s is equal to 0, p is equal to 0, that is, which lie on the circle s is equal to 0, comma p is equal to 0. This equation s plus lambda p is equal to 0 is satisfied by all the points which lie on the circle, on the given circle A. Hence, s plus lambda p is equal to 0 represent a sphere through the given circle s is equal to 0, comma p is equal to 0. Now we solve the question. Find the equation of the sphere through the given circle x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9 and x plus y minus 2z plus 4 equal to 0 and the origin. Here we can see that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. So this is the equation of a sphere, and x plus y minus 2z plus 4 equal to 0, this is the equation of the plane. But if we taken these two equations together, this equation represent equation of circle. So now we write here equation of a sphere through the circle 1 is s plus lambda p is equal to 0. Here s is the equation of the sphere and p is the equation of the plane, and lambda is constant. So we substitute here value of s and p. So we get here x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus lambda times p is x plus y minus 2z plus 4 equal to 0. Here this is the equation of the circle, and we write here equation of a sphere through the circle 1. So this is s plus lambda p is equal to 0. S is the equation of the sphere and p is the equation of the plane, and lambda is some constant. Now we solve this equation. So we write here x square plus y square plus z square plus lambda x plus lambda y minus 2 lambda z plus 4 lambda minus 9 equal to 0. Suppose this is second equation. Here it is also given that the required sphere passing through the origin. So here the required sphere second passes through origin. So origin must satisfy this equation. So the required sphere passes through the origin. So 0, 0, 0 satisfies this above equation. So it becomes 0, 0, 0, 0 square plus 0 square plus 0 square plus lambda multiplied by 0 plus lambda multiplied by 0 minus 2 lambda multiplied by 0 plus 4 lambda minus 9 is equal to 0. So all the terms are 0 except 4 lambda minus 9 is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 9 by 4. Now we put value of lambda in above equation second and get the required equation of a sphere. Here we put equation of lambda. So we get here x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus 9 by 4 multiplied by x plus y minus 2z plus 4 equal to 0. We substitute value of lambda, that is 9 by 4, in above equation of required sphere. So we multiply this equation by 4, so we get 4 x square plus 4 y square plus 4 z square minus 4 9 is 36 plus 9x plus 9y minus 18z plus 36 is equal to 0. Here we can write this 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square plus 9x plus 9y minus 18z, and this 36 is cancelled by this 36 is equal to 0. This can be also written as 4 times x square plus y square plus z square plus 9x plus 9y minus 18z is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a sphere. This is the required equation of a sphere. Thank you.